Hello friends. So what are dirty pages in SQL Server? So dirty pages means that the data modify in the page in a memory, we can say that. Okay, that is not committed to the disk is known as dirty pages. Okay. So we you can see in the image basically one transaction coming to databases, checking the buffer cache, modify here dirty pages and checkpoint file and this to the return to the disk after checkpoint file. Okay, so this is the process how the checkpoint work, what is the dirty pages, and how user can get data. Okay, so dirty pages is just like we can say that it is modifying on fly, or we can say that in memory only. Okay, so now how can you monitor or manage these things? You can monitor or manage these things like SQL Server try to locate the page in the buffer cache. If does not find the page, SQL Server get a page from the disk in the buffer cache. This page known as clean page because it not contain any changes, any modification. Okay. Now SQL Server acquire lock on that page that come from the disk in the memory, row label or perform the update and update to the records. The modify page known as a dirty pages. Okay, so that in image you have seen that the grade page, grayed out page is dirty pages. See here, this is a page. Also grayed pages is dirty pages. See in, you can see in the images. Okay, it create a log record describing the changes made in the SQL Server. Right to the log record to the transactional log. It also send commit acknowledgement to the user. The pages changed page in still in the buffer cache. So how can you monitor this? So you have to just monitor this using this DMB. This is .dm OS buffer descriptions. There is a modify column here. Okay, modified is modified. Okay, and you can get the details using this query. Okay, and here is we can get this type of data, how many pages modify in dirty table temp sample table master databases and other databases. So this is dirty pages. Okay, so I think you know the dirty pages. If you like this answer, just like, not then comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.